Taking the dogs on a little evening hike. Check out the view. They're excited. Just gave them a bath. Trail here is actually pretty dry considering the rains that we just had. It's nice. I plan on getting a gimbal pretty soon, which will allow me to take you guys along on some more hikes, adventures, but without all the shakiness, trying to hold the camera steady. Just taking it easy today for the most part, focusing on some of the chores I had to get done outside the garden. I still got a few things done out in the yard, but not much to really talk about or film. So I thought, hey, I'll bring the camera out with me on this hike, say hello to you guys, and remind you to get out in nature, connect with nature. Some fresh air, some exercise, decompress. Let's get over to the grass. Alright, this looks like a good spot. Good job, Rock. Go. Nice catch. Let's go again. This one's for Rocket. Boy. Catch your breath. Come, let me get one to Rocket again. Missed that one, huh? Good girl. Go. Nice swoop. Wind carried that one a little bit, didn't it? Okay, one more and you gotta catch your breath. Ready? Come on. Go. That's happy. Alright. Sit. Sit. Or lay down. One of my favorite parts about spring into summer is going on these hikes with the dogs. We do winter hikes too, but there's nothing like nicer weather. Not quite to spring yet, but just about. It's starting to look like it, starting to feel like it. And I'm fortunate enough to live next to many different areas to hike, a lot of open space. So, just a short jaunt, short drive, and we're there. Rocks. Don't spill it. Come here, Rocket. Let Rocky get some. Some more? There you go. Don't drip it all over my bag. Recognize this scene from a previous video I did. It is one of my absolute favorite views on this hike. You've always got some grazing cows down the hillside. Carry and drop, right? You're gonna pick it back up, aren't you? Go ahead, show them what you do. Go ahead, show them what you do. Yeah. You're a good backpacking dog, huh? Collecting that firewood. Yeah.
Good dog.
So many beautiful oak trees on this hike. Isn't that awesome? Coyotes. I'm going to cut it off there, guys. Battery's running low, running out of daylight, but just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse of some of the other things I do in my life. Hiking has always been a passion. Love getting out in nature. So this video is a little different. I'm sure not everyone was into it, but it all falls into the same theme. Getting out in nature, experience the abundance